students of the Vinod Gupta School of Management were privileged to be playing host to Ms. Madhumita Basu, Chief of Sales, Marketing and Innovations at Nuvoco Vistas Corporate Limited. After her informative and insightful session, we have a few questions for her. My first question to you, ma'am, is can you please tell us one of the most important marketing lessons that you have learned in your career and why do you believe it as so?
The most important lesson I have learned is building capability to listen to the customer. Because if we take the fundamentals of marketing, you are there doing a job because there is a customer. Unfortunately, we do not pay attention to building the right systems to connect with the customer, to have a point of receiving information at various touch points. So listening is a difficult skill either way. In human interaction also it's a difficult skill. And when you have to systematically capture, customers are talking all the time. How do you listen to them? How do you work around their needs? How you satisfy their questions to need? That's what really marketing is about.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a wonderful answer. Another second question to you is after completing your graduation in the finance management, what changed your field to marketing? And what is that you have learned from your experience?
So when I was studying management, I had a very singular idea that business is all about finance. So that is what I need to know, and if I know that, it's going to ensure success. But sometimes what happens is in life you have happy accidents. I think my happy accident was my first boss. He was a director of the company. He interviewed me for a management trainee position. And because I came with this finance background, I was given an MIS role directly after finishing my management trainee period. And that's when I figured out that I had a knack for picking insights. So I would look at data and probably raise the right queries. So I started getting pulled in for advertising pitches, debriefs to the agencies, and one day the needle shifted. The needle shifted for me by accident in the first part, but I recall some 8-9 years into my career, I went and met our sales director, and I told him I want a position in sales because 10 years down the road, if I want to lead a team, I don't want people to say, I just did marketing, I just looked at the text bit of listening to the consumer, and I haven't done the dirty and dusty by being out in the field. So I pushed for that, and that was a career move I took by choice, and again, something I've never regretted. So a combination of these later, somewhere into your 7th, 8th year, it is no longer about the qualification you bring or the stream you're working in. After some time, it is just a leadership journey because you are dealing with people. You are leading teams, you are guiding teams, and you are managing very critical peer group relationship and also managing up. So it becomes a people piece very early in this corporate journey.
I would say it is serendipity at its best. My last question to you is, ma'am, how was your experience interacting with the students of VGSOM and what is your message to them?
Frankly, I really loved it. I loved the way the team engaged. I felt every member was listening. And I did mention very early in my talk that you have the freedom to raise your hand and ask the questions. And I'm so happy that the students took it up so enthusiastically. I see a lot of some of the questions that came up. I see a group of students who are alive to the changing dynamics of business and life. And I have liked what I've heard about these speaker sessions. It's amazing that you are having 2 days per week and a very varied spectrum of subjects. This is surely it's also building awareness, developing skill set of receiving so much information. It is very encouraging to see the liveliness with which the team takes these sessions. I wish the students all the very best. And uh, as I was telling the students, you are just about to start your career at a time when change is going to happen at speed of lightning, much much faster than I have experienced in my career. And reinventing, continuous learning is going to become almost like your daily meal for you. So just keep working hard, keep learning more. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this interview.
Thank you.